respected parents and my dear students. This is Kumar Hiremat from Belgavi. Welcomes you all to the very first session of my YouTube channel Apurva Math by Kumar sir. Through this channel, I will be teaching mathematics subject of class 9 and 10 in regular intervals of time. Now, I would like to begin the first session of my channel with one of the important chapter of class 10 mathematics, Introduction to Trigonometry. Dear students, in today's session, I will be discussing only the introductory part of this chapter, wherein I deal with three important concepts. Number one, definition of trigonometry. Number two, mathematicians involved in the development of trigonometry. Number three, applications of trigonometry. So without delaying, let us start with definition of trigonometry. Students, trigonometry is a Latin word consisting of three different terms: trigona and metre. You can see these three terms in the word itself, that is trigona and metre. The meaning of tri is three. Gona means sides or angles, and metre means to measure or measurement. So in simple words, the measurement of three sides and angles of a triangle is nothing but trigonometry. I repeat again, the measurement of three sides and angles of a triangle is nothing but trigonometry. So students, we can define trigonometry like this: a branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of all the three sides and angles of a triangle. I hope you understood the meaning and the definition of trigonometry. Let us move towards the next concept of the session: mathematicians involved in the development of trigonometry. Dear students, trigonometry is not developed by a single mathematician. A number of mathematicians individually contributed a lot towards the development of this particular branch of trigonometry. Some of such mathematicians are Hipparchus, Ptolemy, Karl Gauss, Leibniz, Euler, Laplace, etc. Not only the foreign mathematicians, even the Indian mathematician Bhaskaracharya proposed few concepts of trigonometry. Among all these mathematicians, Hipparchus is popularly known as father of trigonometry. I repeat, Hipparchus is referred as father of trigonometry. This is because he is the one who proposed very essential and basic concepts of trigonometry which helped all other mathematicians to take this branch of mathematics to the further level. Hope you understood the concept here. Now, I'll discuss the last concept of today's session, that is applications of trigonometry. Dear students, very oftenly we'll be having two questions in our mind. Number one, why we should study trigonometry. Number two, where we will use trigonometry in the future. Here is the answer for such questions. Dear students, trigonometry finds a wide applications in many of the fields that we come across in our day-to-day life. To illustrate this, I would like to consider only two most popular fields existing in present era. They are number one, engineering and medical science. Let me tell you all how the concepts of trigonometry will be used in the field of engineering first. Students, engineers use the trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions like sine, cosine and tangent to find the heights and distances of certain objects in various circumstances. I repeat once again, the engineers use trigonometric ratios or functions such as sine, cosine and tangent to find the heights and distances of certain objects in various situations or circumstances. They also use the concept of angle of elevation and angle of depression for the same purpose. Dear students, about heights and distances, angle of elevation and angle of depression, you are going to learn in detail in the next chapter of your textbook, that is some applications of trigonometry. Now, coming to the interesting application of trigonometry, that is in the field of medical science. Students, you will be surprised to hear that doctors also use trigonometry in their various practices. Students, there are certain diseases in which for the purpose of diagnosis, doctors use few concepts of trigonometry. Say for example, let us consider a disease called as scoliosis. I repeat, the disease called as scoliosis. It is a disease in which spine or backbone of human beings will be deviated from its original position due to various reasons, and the most common reason for this is injuries. Students, the neurosurgeons or orthopedic surgeons use few concepts of trigonometry here to diagnose the exact deviation of the backbone from its original position. So students, this is how we are going to find the applications of trigonometry in the field of engineering and medical science. Students, remember, not only these two fields, the field of chemistry, the field of physics, seismology, some other fields are also using one or the other concepts of trigonometry in regular intervals of time. So students, in today's session, we had a discussion about three important concepts. Number one, definition of trigonometry. Two, mathematicians involved in the trigonometry. And number three, applications of trigonometry. I hope the concept is much clearer to you people. Students, in my next video, I'll be starting with the main syllabus of class 10, that is with trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions, wherein I will teach what are the trigonometric ratios and how to define them mathematically. So wait for my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, have a good day.